Over the past few months, young voices in Tower Hamlets have been exploring the power of words. Through Spoken Futures, a project by Global Learning London, 3 secondary schools, Morpeth, Central Foundation Girls, and Oaklands, have discovered spoken word, poetry, and rap as tools to shape their own stories. Exploring identity, belonging, community, and voice, these students have challenged themselves, expressed their truths, and crafted narratives that reflect their world. As the project comes to a close, we celebrate their creativity and courage to showcase their work.
This is I Love My Family by Noor. I love my family so much that I scream at them, so much that I talk to them, so much that I hug them, so much that I gossip with them, so much that I cry to them, so much that I laugh with them, so much that I spend time with them, so much that I eat food with them, so much that I prank with them, so much that I take care of them, so much that they take care of me. I love my family.
This is Untitled by Sophia Ahmed. I like all desserts, no surprise when my tooth hurts. When you see me munch hours before lunch, my tummy aches, it's full of bakes. Don't like creepy dolls like Ken, nor dangerous roadmen. Hate all vicious dogs and filthy dirty hogs. Originate from Bangladesh, do crochet patterns with mesh. Watch TV in my free time, don't eat sour things like lime.
This is When You See Me by Yusuf. When you see me, you think I'm a monster, but I'm a jokester just like you. I'm like your friend, a creation of God, a reason to live, not to be a treason or a criminal. I like to be happy on a trim shell. I'm just like you, not a man with a record, just a guy with a concord for my country, Bangladesh, where Silat tops the rest. Whilst people don't wish the best, even though you're like the rest, acing your test. Brothers are being a pest, best believe you're not the rest. Be the one who's on to something, not the one rummaging for a job or one eating from my tub.
My Connection by Taiba Ahmed. Awake, I lie in bed, pounding upon what Allah has said. Do you think you'll roam this earth without a test? Ya Allah, forgive me for my lack of faith. Allah knows what's best for me, so why do I complain? I always want the sunshine, but He knows there must be rain. Allah tests me with suffering and sorrow. He tests me not to punish me, but to help me meet tomorrow. My friends tell me that I laugh and always have a cheer. But the world's impossible for a person to never shed a tear. So whenever I feel that everything's gone wrong, I just say to myself that it's Allah's way to make my Imam strong.
This is Spoken Futures, their words, their voices, their stories.